Ride Reviews. I was trying to see how long I could do that. Got another epic review for y'all today. Got a 2013 Chevy Tahoe LT. Leather, as y'all can see. Nice AC, feel good up in here. I'm at the used car supermarket, by the way. I had to come back and see my crew over here. Wayne, Robbie, Earl Ray, the whole crew, everybody, the guys over here, my crew, where it all started. But anyway, got this review for y'all. Y'all check it out here in a little bit. This thing is fully loaded, and there's another surprise when you turn the key. Yes, we'll get to that later on in the review. While y'all got a chance, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hashtag JRideReviews, where we support local. And we'll get this thing started. Y'all hang tight.
Another one, and another one, and another one, and another one.
JRideReviews. Got another epic review. Like I told y'all earlier, I'm over here at the used car supermarket where it all began. Let's make these keys your keys. The used car supermarket is located right across the street from Dale Jr. Chevrolet, right at the entrance of Bicycle Road and West Tennessee, the entrance to University Green Apartments. As you can see, that's the showroom behind me over there. The Tahoe is behind me over here. This thing's really sweet. I was telling y'all earlier about a little secret I wanted to share about this particular vehicle. You'll hear it later on in the video. It has a Magnaflow exhaust. Yes, it surprised me too. I did the remote start when I moved it from where it was parked at to where I'm at now, right in front of the showroom. I wanted the backdrop of the showroom. I never do the backdrop here at this dealership with the showroom behind me, so I just wanted to give a little exposure so that y'all can see what I see when I come here at the used car supermarket. But I used the feature here on the key. Y'all can see that right remote start. I used the remote start and I was like, that ain't stopped. But I looked underneath there, Magnaflow Exhaust, so it sounds really good. There's an exhaust clip later on in the video. Y'all check that out as well. We're gonna hop into this review real quick and let y'all see what I see. 2013 Chevy Tahoe LT, fully loaded. It's really nice. Silver exterior. It's got the LED turn signals and all that stuff. Whoever had this did some upgrades to it. And of course, leather on the inside, DVD, all that good stuff. 3 rows is really, really nice. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back with you. It's a quick look at the interior. Just wanted to show y'all this black leather. Y'all check that out. Very nice. Sunroof up at the top. DVD for the kiddos or whoever else you got riding in here. Very nice. Y'all hang tight for the interior review, okay? All right, so this is the driver's side. We're gonna start out with this interior review, really quick review. All right, so you got your manual lumbar power adjustment here for height, forward and back, manual recline. But I'm gonna tell you, this LT is really loaded. It's a really nice looking truck. Manual tilt, many positions there. Just want to show you the door panels here as well. You got your wood grain up here. That looks really good. This one has the power retractable mirrors. Like if you're in a tight parking lot, you can press this, it'll close the mirrors in. Full adjustment, heated seats, of course. Two position, you got the back part of the chair that'll warm up, and then the back and the bottom. Nice little feature, nice little storage down here at the bottom. Y'all check all this stuff out. Once again, I'm just giving y'all a perspective of what I see, and we're gonna hop into this review real quick, this interior. Hang tight, y'all. All right, so we finally got into the interior. I want to show you the multiple adjustable steering wheel. Got a lot of positions here, all the way up for taller guys, down low for shorter people. I'm gonna go over the gauge cluster, all this basic stuff in here. Very, very nice. You know, I've done a couple Tahoes, Escalades, all that stuff like that in my time. So I just wanted to show you what we got here. Really, really nice interior. Black leather. There's my camera mount, my book bag for my other stuff. Sorry about all that. Rear DVD. All right, let's start over here, man. Nice leather wrap steering wheel, typical for your Tahoes, your GMC Yukons. There's nothing really different. They kept this body style for a couple of years, and so not too much change. Got your cruise control stuff over here, volume and all that stuff, phone stuff here. Got some more volume buttons behind the steering wheel. Very nice, very nice. Like I said, you got your expensive watch looking gauges. They have a chrome bezel around them. Very easy to read, very accessible, very readable, all that good stuff. So that's that. And like I was telling you about the mirrors and all that stuff, that's over here on your driver's door panel. Heated seats up here. Got your light controls here. You got auto, off, obviously, parking lights, headlights. Then down here, hit this little button, and on the display you see that little green light over by the tachometer. That is to let you know your fog lights are on. You got your interior lighting, dimming and all that switch there. Just nice, like I said, full of storage. Nice wood grain, looks really, really good. You got your information center here for different menus on, get your mile per gallon, range, all that stuff like that. All the different road stuff. Got your mileage, trip odometer, your fuel range, average economy. You got a different digital speedometer, if y'all can see that. So it's, like I said, it's really nice. Big vents in here. It stays really cool. It's really cool in here now. It's hot outside. All right, let me show you this right quick. Anything with LEDs in it will jump like that. There is nothing wrong with, y'all guys can't see it till you come and see the test driver to check it out for yourself. But that's just jumping because just like when I do headlights and stuff like that, LEDs, it makes it jump like that. It's just the LCD, LED, display, how it's recording on the camera. There's nothing wrong with that. That's just not jumping like that under normal circumstances. Got your CD player here, air conditioning controls down here. This is dual zone, so passenger and driver can change the temperature controls there. Down here you got your adjustable pedals. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're coming towards me. For shorter drivers, taller drivers probably want it back like it's moving, if y'all can see that. You got your rear park assist on and off here, traction control. Got some cigarette lighters for whatever you need that for. Got some deep storage for cell phones, keys, all that stuff like that. Cup holders. Have a really big center console, leather wrapped, stitched as well. Really nice. Like I said, y'all have seen Tahoe, Cadillac, Escalade reviews that I've done. All pretty much the same thing. Very ergonomical, very spacious. Just a good design overall. All right, my book bag with my camera equipment. Y'all excuse that. My mount for my other camera equipment. But yeah, this a nice, really homely place. Nice view from the driver's seat. As y'all can see, there's Dale Earnhardt across the street. Like I tell y'all, that's how you're gonna find the used car supermarket. Look for Dale Earnhardt, and directly across the street is the used car supermarket. Anyway, this has a Bose stereo system, tweeters, all that good stuff. Sounds really, really good. I know y'all heard the little snippet of that when I started it up earlier. But yeah, the hum of the exhaust, you can hear it in here just a little bit. Sounds really, really good, especially when the AC compressor kicks on and kicks off. It gives a nice little sound. So like I said, this one's ready to take home, folks. Come by and see them today, and like I always say, make these keys your keys. Why not? All right, I'm gonna hop into the back seat, show y'all a couple little features back there. Once again, I'm just giving you my perspective. I'm out here recording videos, doing what I love to do, putting in that work after work, but I still want y'all to come by and check these things out for yourself. Big mirrors and all. I mean, visibility here is very spot on. small B pillars. The A pillars, obviously on the passenger side, have the grab handle. Driver's side does not, but as you can see, the view is still good with the position of the mirrors and all that good stuff. And of course, the B pillars are really slim, so that makes a big difference in your rear visibility. And of course, back there in the back, plenty of visibility, even with the 3 rows of seats up. All right, so let's hop into the back seat real quick, see what we got in here, and we'll just go from there, y'all. Hang tight. Chevy Tahoe 2013 available. Take it home ASAP. Why not? Let's hop into this back seat, y'all. Same nice materials up in the front. They did not sacrifice on that. Once again, this has a Bose system in it. Reclinable seats back here in the back. Very nice. Rear DVD. And something else I noticed in here, they changed all the lighting inside the vehicle to LED. So let's go ahead and hop in and see what we got in here. All right. So we made it back to the back seat. Here's the view from the back seat. Nice view. Sunroof, big sunroof up there. Like I said, all the lights inside the interior are LEDs. Got your rear DVD for the kiddos or whatever you may use this vehicle for. Personal use, business use, real estate, Uber, ride share, whatever you do. Be good at it. You know what I'm saying? As you can see up there in the front by the mirror, those are all LED lights as well. So imagine at night this place looks really, really nice with this dark interior. Nice leather seats, have worn very nicely. Center console back here with your cup holders. Good sized cup holders there. Like I said, the seating in here looks very nice. Here is your rear air conditioning controls that are functional. I mean, you can set your temperatures in here. Let's drop this thing down. And it's a nice place to be. You know what I mean? All right. Then you got some auxiliary cords here. Another cigarette lighter right here. Let me show you the room here. Leg room, very nice. Good room here. Y'all excuse my raggedy pants from work. Have not gone home yet. Been out the house since 6:15 a.m. Still on the grind after work, putting in that work after work. Plenty of room back here. Like I said, this is a nice homey place, man. And then back here in the back is your 3rd row. I'm not going to attempt to get back there. No, sir, or ma'am, whoever might be interested. Once again, rear LED lights. Y'all excuse, might hear a little distortion with these. I want to show you these vents that are very powerful, that work in conjunction with this display back here in the back seat. Plenty of room back here. And y'all know in all my videos, I'm always going to give y'all a motivational speech. I want y'all to be good. And I want you to be good at whatever you do. And if you ain't going to be good, please be good at it. Just stay motivated, keep hustling, keep grinding. I know 2020 has not been the year that we all thought it was going to be. Been a lot of craziness going on out here in the world. But if you keep your faith in the man up above, whoever you praise, God, Allah, whatever, I don't get into all that stuff like that. I'm not judgmental. Everybody has their own religions and their belief. But if you just believe and stay believing in the truth that the man up above, God, gives to us, or whatever your God is, man, you'll be okay. And like I always tell y'all in all my videos, man, just stay motivated, man. Get out here, continue to do what you love to do. Be safe. Don't be foolish. Be safe what you're doing, because it's real out here. And you know, avoid conversation with law enforcement. We all know what that can do. Just be safe, man, and stay motivated. Like, I'm out here doing this after work. I've worked 10 and a half hours a day, and I'm gonna still do what I love to do, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna remain safe doing what I like to do. Deal with people you know, like, and trust, and we'll just go from there. While y'all got a minute, please subscribe to my channel, hashtag JRideReviews. Also check out my comedy channel, hashtag J Cunningham Jr. And come see my crew over here at the used car supermarket. Tell them you saw it on JRideReviews, hashtag JRideReviews to be specific. And if y'all interested in the Chevy Tahoe or anything of that comparable nature, let me know. Later on this week or next week, I'm gonna hop into this review on this Altima. I don't know if you can see it from here. It's way over there. It's white Altima, black wheels. We're gonna do that one next. Once they get it all checked out, it just came in, get it detailed, little small stuff he said he had to get done to it. I'm gonna have that one ready for y'all as soon as I can. Okay, so please hit the like button, like the video, subscribe obviously. Put down in the comments what you guys are looking for. Any comments would be great. Positive comment, even the negative ones too, because that just lets me know that I'm doing something right. If somebody got something to say, you're doing something right. But anyway, put all that information in there. When you subscribe, when and if you subscribe, I'm almost to my yearly goal as far as subscribers that I was trying to get to, and I thank each and every one of y'all for y'all subscriptions. Also hit, not my partner, nope. Also hit the bell notifications to let you know when I'm posting any new videos on this particular channel, and also on my other channel as well, hashtag J Cunningham Jr. And I'm forever grateful. Support local, hashtag support local, hashtag support local business. Used car supermarket, Tallahassee, Florida. Come see them today, and you won't be disappointed. You know I gotta put a little comedy in here. Here's a little something extra. I was trying to get out back here, and I know the door was unlocked. I unlocked it. I was like, how the hell did I lock myself in here? I had to reach through the window, pull on the handle to get out. That's funny to me. Child lock's activated, so this is a little something funny, man, to add to the video, man. Y'all please like, share, subscribe. And like I always tell y'all, be good. And if you ain't gonna be good, I need you to be what? I need you to be what? Be good at it. I'm gone. I'm wrapping this one up. Put this thing back. I heard the reverse sensors. Put this thing back in its spot. And we are done for the day. Thank y'all, Used Car Supermarket, for y'all continued support of letting me be able to do these videos. And put this thing back in its little spot, man. Y'all have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, and night whenever you see this video. Just remember, I gave you a shout out in advance. Y'all take care, man. God bless you. Alright, so if y'all guys are looking for Chevy Tahoes or any kind of SUVs, I just want to show y'all some love. Show Used Car Supermarket some love. Got a couple SUVs up here in the front line. That's the Jeep Grand Cherokee, Ford Escape. Of course, the Tahoe that I was working on. That's the showroom up there. The guys in there chilling. Y'all come and see them. And this is full stock of everything out here. Got some pickup trucks up there, Tundra. There's the F-150 I did. Got a Dodge Ram with the Hemi long bed. This is a, what is that, Honda Pilot. This all kind of stuff out here, man. Y'all come by and check them out today. And if there's anything you guys need, just let me know down in the comments, or if you reach me on Messenger, on Facebook, James Cunningham Jr., look me up and just send me a message that way. And I'll come out here and I'll try to get with the guys and see if we can help y'all find what you're looking for. So, once again, Used Car Supermarket over here in West Tennessee, man. Y'all come and see them today, man. Thank y'all. And be blessed by the best. Don't ever settle for less. That part.